Hey everyone! Opera Browser is a popular web browser known for its speed, built-in VPN, and user-friendly features. Like all browsers, Opera keeps a record of the websites we visit to make it easier to revisit pages, autofill forms, and improve browsing convenience. Sometimes we may want to delete our website search history to protect our privacy, keep sensitive information safe, or simply tidy up our browsing records. Knowing how to remove specific or old search history in Opera helps us keep our personal data private and our browser organized. This guide explains how we can safely and easily delete website search history in Opera, and also how to clear all browsing data if needed. Opera also lets us remove specific interests, giving us more control over our personal information. In this guide, we will go through how to access our browsing history, select individual sites or searches, and delete them without affecting data in other browsers. By following these steps, we can keep our privacy and convenience, making sure our browsing experience stays secure and simple. Now, let's go through the process in the simplest way to delete website search history in Opera Browser. First, let's open our browser. Once we are on the Opera browser, we click the three lines or Easy Setup. Scroll down and select Go to Full Browser Settings. When we're here, click Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, we find Delete Browsing Data. Click this, then choose All Browsing Histories All Time. We can also use the advanced settings for passwords, autofill, form sizes, and hosted data. Now we delete data by clicking Delete Data. After we delete our website search history in Opera Browser, we can browse with confidence, knowing our past activity is no longer visible to others who use our computer. Managing our browsing history is a good habit for keeping our privacy, freeing up system resources, and keeping our browser organized. With these steps done, we can enjoy a safer, cleaner, and more personalized browsing experience in Opera.